Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Facebook and navigating directly to the page whose link you need. Once on the page, make sure you are viewing the page itself and not a post or profile. This ensures the URL in the address bar is the page link. If you manage multiple pages, verify the correct page name appears at the top. Once done, look at the browser address bar. This is the canonical link you will copy. If you're on mobile, open the page menu to find the link option. Now copy the link precisely so it resolves for others. Select the entire address bar text, including HTTPS, / and any trailing page slug or numeric ID, because partial copies produce broken or ambiguous links. Use Ctrl+C on Windows or CMD+C on Mac for speed. If you prefer the mobile app, tap the three-dot menu or Share button and choose Copy Link. This yields a mobile-friendly URL. Make sure no tracking parameters remain if you want a clean link. After copying, test paste into a note to confirm. Finish by pasting and verifying the link where you intend to use it. You should preview the post or message to ensure the page preview loads. This confirms the link is correct and public. If the preview fails or recipients report errors, try copying the page ID-based URL from page settings or use Facebook's share dialog to recreate the link. Also, make sure the page is published and visible to the intended audience. A common troubleshooting tip: clear cached parameters or use an incognito window to test visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.